everybody, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. So I'm not going to show you an actual tutorial today, but I'm going to show you lots of ways that you can craft with me coming up. Starting September 3rd, we have the new catalog, so make sure you are on my email list because I will have some extra additional thank you gifts September 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And then my husband and I actually leave then. So as soon as the catalog is done kicking off, we are hitting it to the road and, well, I guess the air, because we're going to Maui for 11 days. So I am trying to get everything ahead, and this is one of the reasons I don't typically do this kind of a video, but I wanted you to see everything, to know there's extra specials, and to know about the things that you can sign up for before we're gone, because I will place my club order, and I'm not going to answer emails. We are just going to have a lovely time getting away. It's been a little bit of a summer for us, so we're just going to take it easy for a while. So I will not be able to answer your emails, so I want you to know now. And then I have some things that also will, all of this stuff will end while we're gone, or in a couple of days. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my September card club. We are using the Autumn Toile. So if you go watch this, you can find out all about my online card club. And the perks, one of the perks is that you can buy the bundles. And this month there are 3 bundles that you can buy at catalog price. In fact, if you buy all 3 of those bundles, then you get a packet of the free Cajun and Gold embellishments. You get those because they also look really good with this paper. And then one of the other bundles that they can buy the Amber Autumn for a bonus project. And then this is a head start, the branching out for October. So I'm going to record this after. So if you're watching this and you're like, I haven't seen that card, it's coming. It'll be the next one that posts. Here's the Amber Autumn. So that's my card club. Then I have a free online class. If you purchase the Traditions of Christmas suite of products from me from September 3rd to the 15th, then in early October, you will get to craft along with me. I will send you the supplies that aren't part of the suite. So like on this one, you get the pool party, you would get some white cardstock, some Secrecy, the gold, and we'll make 5 projects together. So you have to purchase the suite from the 3rd to the 15th of September, and then you'll get the free class in early October. I mean, you do have to fill out a registration form, so I know who to send them to, and I would purchase earlier rather than later. We never have any way of knowing what's going to be the hot item that sells. So, and then this is something I don't know if I've ever done it, but I'm going to do it now. I am going to show you a super quick run through of my Try It class projects because the deadline to register for Try It class is the last day of August, and that falls on a weekend, and it's also a holiday weekend. So I won't be sending an email. I may send just a quick reminder if you're on my email list, but do it today if you're intending to sign up so you don't forget, because it's a very it takes lots of cutting. It takes lots of preparation to do this class, and like I said, we're going to be gone, so I need to place the order bright and early on the first day that we can order, and then have all the stuff to us when we get back. And we're going to try to cut as much as we can. It's just cardstock and stuff that I have on hand. So go watch this video. My Try It class, as the name implies, takes all of the new papers, and then we do cards for those. So you'll have the new ribbon, new embellishments, new papers, lots of die cuts. So if you go watch this, then it explains the Try It class very well, because this is one of the projects. So we're doing 8. Along with that, you get a PDF. So here is the PDF. This one is from the 24-25 annual catalog, and you can see there's a playlist. Every single card has its own tutorial. If you would like to be part of my team members can get this packet completely free. So that's the rest of the time, my team members get all of my videos. For this particular class, they can get the packet for free. So this one shows you the samples from that one, all the measurements, all the items we used, and then written instructions. So for this card, if you go watch this one, I took the turtle card from the last Try It class, which was the current annual catalog, and I adapted it. You can see on this one there's stamping. In my actual Try It class, there's no stamping. It's all just fun folds and fun things. So I'm going to show you real quick the projects. Don't ask me for instructions or measurements or anything, because to do it, you have to see them, you would have to do the class. So they're mostly, I think they're almost all fun folds except for one this time around. So I'm going to just show them real quick. So you've seen 1, so here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. This one's a little interactive card there. So if you're interested, I will have the online portion of the class open for registration by the time I send a next email out with the tutorial. So I always do it at the very end of registration, because you really, part of the reason I stopped doing it is because people are like, oh, I think I'll save some money, I'll just get the online one. And then what happens, if you're overseas or international, then you have to, because I can only sell within the United States. But then what happens is 75% of the people get the class once the emails are out and the lessons and everything, and they're like, do you have a spare packet? Because to buy all of this stuff and to cut all of this stuff and to have all of the ribbons, all of the embellishments, all of the papers to recreate, a lot of times it's 10 projects. This time it's 8, because with the new online exclusive, there's a little bit less paper in every catalog. But to buy all of that stuff, it would have been worth it to just pay a few more dollars and get the packet mailed to you. So that's why I tend to not anymore put the online only up until it's almost time to be over for the mailed packet. That's what I have for you today. I'm going to film that branching out card, and you should have that tutorial in your inbox on Friday. And then next week, I already have 2 projects ready and filmed and uploaded. So those are ready to go. And I'm hoping to get a couple more done, so while we are away on vacation, they can post. So that's what I have for you. Make sure you head to my website or my Facebook page. The link is down below the video on YouTube, and sign up for my email list. Have a great one. Bye.